Hello, people of YouTube. Today we're looking at my cameraman's car. Yes, my cameraman. Say hello, cameraman. My cameraman's car. We're going to talk about what he's doing to it, what his plans are for it in the future, blah 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 blah, all that stuff. Yeah. So we'll do that now. So then, cameraman James.
Yes.
What are your plans for this car then?
Well, lower it.
Lower it, yeah.
Lower it. Maybe. Springs, depends on the budget. Yep. Fancy lights. Definitely.
Fancy lights.
Yes.
Yeah.
Remap.
Map.
Exhaust. And
Exhaust are just budget friendly.
budget friendly.
Exhaust.
It's already got an induction kit on it.
Already got it.
Yep. Makes nice whooshy noises. And then just little things.
Just little bits and bobs.
Yeah. Clean it up a bit. Yeah. Need to clean up a bit. Little scuff, but that's fine. Don't look at that bit. You can look at the rest of the car, not this bit. This bit's for my eyes only. Yeah, it's the 2018 Focus 1 litre EcoBoost on a 67 plate. I know that'll confuse a lot of you lot, but it is confusing. It's an ST line. It's got Apple CarPlay. That's about it. Aircon. It's all right. It's just a nice car. Drives nice. Stops nice. Doesn't really go nowhere because it's only 140 brake. But that's why you have two cars in a fleet. Yeah, that's my car.
I'm going to say basically it's going to be whatever we do to it. Whatever you do to it.
You're going to show.
We'll do. We'll put it on the channel.
So that is the bad boy. AirTech with CE UK piping, turbo hard pipe down there, and that's about it. We'll give it a start.
Yeah,
give it a rev.
Start, yeah. Go on.
I know. Drive them hard, eh? I hope you like it. Like and subscribe. See you in a bit.